everyone, Katie's Crafts here again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 cute DIY Valentine's Day cards. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification Squad for a shout out in my next video. And also, just a quick side note, I was looking at my YouTube channel yesterday, and guess what I saw? It's official. Katie's Crafts has 40 subscribers. Woohoo! So you're probably wondering why I have this fancy Valentine's Day setup, because if you know me, you know I've been a single Pringle all my life and nothing's gonna change that. I just wanted to get into the spirit because I'm making a video about it. And also, here's Crafter of the Week here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And let's just get right on with the video. Whoop! Number 1. First, I'm just folding over an A4 sheet of paper so we can get started with an actual card. Then I'm just gonna trim it down so it's all even and everything. Then we can get on to the fun part, actually making the card. So for the first card, you're gonna need some PVA glue and some wool. They call it yarn in America, I think. So yeah, that's what you need. First, I'm taking my PVA glue and I'm dipping a lolly stick into it so I can get some glue on the lolly stick. Then I'm just getting the glue in a heart shape on the piece of paper, and then I'm just fixing it up, adding more glue in the places that have less. Then I'm just putting the wool or yarn onto the parts where there is PVA glue. And I'm just going to cut off the excess wool or yarn. Then I'm doing the same thing as before with the glue and the lolly stick, only I'm making a little K because my name is Katie and you should always love yourself. Then I'm putting a different color of yarn on the K part. I'm using pastel purple, pastel greenish blue, and pastel pink for this, because those are probably my favorite colors. Like before, I'm just snipping off the excess yarn or wool. Watch this magic. Number 2. So for the next one, I'm taking one of those little hearts that was in the background. Then I'm just taking my glue stick and I'm gluing all around that heart. Then I'm putting a little sheet of paper underneath that so I can pour glitter without getting it everywhere. And actually, I got glitter everywhere anyway, so it's not a big deal if I don't use that. But yeah. Then, since there can never be enough glitter in this world, I'm taking some PVA glue on the lolly stick, like what we did before with the yarn/wool, and I'm just going around that heart shape. Then I'm just pouring out some glitter onto the PVA glue so it sticks. Beautiful, isn't it? Nah, that's a fail. We gotta try again. So I'm starting brand new, and I got a smaller heart template, and I just used a glue stick on it again, and then I shook glitter onto it. I wish it stuck more well, but I guess I can't help that. Then I'm just writing Happy Valentine's Day on that card because I actually have no reason to put on it, but meh. Let's go. Number 3. So for the last card, I think it would be really cute if you got a card that was like sort of a scrapbook sort of design, but like it's a card. I don't know. I just made this up out of my head. I hope you think it's good. Also, this is a punny one. So here I'm basically showing you everything that I have in my scrapbooking folder. Yes, I have a complete folder full of scrapbooking things. I just like pretty papers and stickers and all, and I think I'd like to put them to good use sometime. So yeah. So here I'm just showing you what I'm probably gonna use. There's a slight chance that I might not use a few of these things, but I still like to show off my scrapbooking stuff. So this card is gonna say, "You're so sweet," but it's gonna be like a pun because I'm gonna put cupcake stickers around it. Ha 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 ha. I'm so funny, I know. Subscribe. So then I'm just getting some nice pens and I'm adding in what I want to add in because this is my card for myself. I come first. Subscribe. So here are my 3 cards that I made for you people who are either a viewer who has not yet subscribed, or if you're a subscriber, or if you are a part of the hashtag Craftification Squad. So here's the first card that I made. Here's the second. And here's the third. It lost a bit of glitter. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification Squad for a shout out in my next video. Thank you so much for 40 subscribers.